Kia ora, Wellington. Fantastic news this afternoon, everyone. In fact, it's the news we've all been waiting for. Every one of you should be immensely proud of your efforts in helping bring it about. Our region has done particularly well too, with no new COVID cases in the last 4 days. As you would have heard, at midnight on Monday, 27th of April, our country will move out of full lockdown and into alert level 3. And we're going to remain there for at least 2 weeks. This is great news, and it means we're a step closer to easing lockdown restrictions, and it signals that we're beating the Covid-19 virus with all the terrible health and economic impact it brings. That is already a huge achievement. But it absolutely doesn't mean that we can relax. As the Prime Minister said, we do not want to lose the hard-won gains. In fact, for most of us, very little will change under alert level 3. However, from tomorrow week, we will start to see more businesses being able to operate. There will be some ability to click and collect. Bubbles will be able to slightly expand in some circumstances. Importantly, construction will be able to resume under level 3 protocols. And the City Council will be able to get on with more water projects too. If you can work from home, you'll be required to continue to do so. Children who can learn from home will also continue to do so. For the Council, alert level 3 will look a lot like level 4. Most of our staff will continue to work from home, and most of our services must unfortunately remain closed. This includes libraries, pools, recreation centres, community centres, playgrounds, and the landfill. However, one area that we are looking to reopen, though with conditions, is Macra Peak Mountain Bike Park. We'll provide more details on those conditions later in the week. Our customer service team will continue to provide service and support over the phone, on social media, or via email. Council meetings will continue via Zoom, and a reminder that we have one this Thursday, so please join us online for that. The agenda is also online. As the Prime Minister said today, when alert level 3 arrives, we will have more economic freedoms in terms of some construction and manufacturing restarting and contactless retail, but not yet more social freedoms. So we all need to keep to our bubbles, keep good hygiene, keep travel to minimum, and stay home if you're feeling sick. Wellington, you've done a brilliant job over the past month. Let's keep that up over the next 3 weeks. Hopefully at the end of that period, we'll be able to move to an even lower alert level. And that will be something to celebrate. Kia kaha, everyone.